So the cock, I want next thing we then use as a time.
Me know.
And the next thing again, when they lick dog a road, cock up him make nice. He said, kiss me, hear me tell you. That's why me go on my bed early. Look what that earth and coldness are you here. That's why me go on my bed so early. That them they come here, dog, get me now know me take you, me body broke.
So Rooster go bed early.
You know say at 6 o'clock so fall gone in bed.
6 p.m.
Fall gone in bed.
So him not get lick.
So you don't get licked. Allow me tell sir. Okay.
Cause dog get some lick out here, I know.
Master.
Me say.
What is it? He can't manage it. That's why I'm going so early, so that's why I wake so early.
Dirty Rooster them, me go and tie them up and choke them. If you ever crow again, I go and hang you.
And that's why I wake so early.
Me there on here, so the first me a long time I hear a rooster. So the first day, me hear him. Me say, alright, oh nice looking rooster. That's so cute. You see after the second day, me say, alright, me give
Yeah, why did you?
me say, alright. You see after the second, me give the rooster a blind now. Me give him a blind now. Him no know some there. Me give him a blind. Third day. Me say, alright, I go for him there. I take up a stone and throw it to me. Yeah, right next to me. Loud, you know? Like,
Next door.
yeah, in the palm, man. Amplifier in the pan. Loud. So now I put on my headset now. Cause I'm sleep in my headset. Damn, Roosters in Jamaica. Me don't miss them. Cause you can't do it at
You don't hear
fine.
them just sitting at fine.
No, and then the peony wall, it couldn't make me, cause them loud on here, so. You know, I can have a concentrated amount of peony wall.
What is that, the moonie?
And the cricket them.
So now you cricket back fine.
No, hardly. No cricket there in the park. No food not there to eat.
No one did that for you.
No food there, no them grass there. No, cricket there, but you're not going to hear cricket like you're going born in the bush. In the city.
Like my bird.
Yeah.
Alright, this when we dey at school and we plant like cabbage and pak choi, they bring under the pak choi under the ground, they name out the root. You understand? And bring it down.
Bring it down.
Yes, when